Want to know why your welds are cracking or failing under pressure? It's probably because you're skipping the most crucial step in joint preparation. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform a basic corner joint into a high-strength, professional-grade weld that even an inspector would love. Look at this. Most people just put the metals together and start blasting. That's a recipe for disaster. No penetration means no strength. And using a thick spacer. That's a big no. It creates too much gap and makes the puddle impossible to control. The secret is in the root opening. Use a thin welding rod or a proper gauge spacer to get that perfect gap. This allows the arc to reach all the way to the bottom, ensuring the metals actually fuse together, not just sit on top of each other. Now, watch the arc control. Notice the angle of the electrode. You want a steady movement, maintaining a tight arc. See that smoke and the flow of the molten pool? That's what perfect fusion looks like. I'm layering the beads using a slight weaving motion to ensure both sides are tied in perfectly. After cleaning off the slag, look at that consistency. Smooth ripples, even width, and zero undercut. This isn't just a weld, it's a piece of art that's built to last a lifetime. If you found this tip helpful, smash that like button. Drop a comment below on what welding challenge you want me to tackle next. Stay safe, and keep sparking. See you in the next one.